Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Windows Scanner for Windows 11 or 10. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, you gotta find your search bar and type down Microsoft Store, just like so. So just click on Microsoft Store, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and maximize this one. And then use the search bar at the top and find Windows Scan. Okay, and then once that's done, here we have Windows Scan app. Just click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, click on Get, and then just wait a bit to finish the installation process. Okay, and then once that's done installing, just basically click on Open right here, or you can find it right in your search bar. Okay, so as you can see, I'm having a problem with my internet, so you can just go ahead and click on the screenshot right here, and this is how it looks like. Okay. And there you have it. And by the way, if this one isn't working for your specific device, you have here other scanners, okay? Just like, for example, we have here DocScan PDF scanner, and this one works with HP, Canon, Brother, Epson scanners. Or if you want to, you have the, let's go ahead and go back a bit. Right here, we have the Epson Print and Scan application as well, okay? And that is how you download and install Windows Scanner for Windows 11 or 10 PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.